Hey, how's it going? Got my Shelby right here, 2013. We're gonna go ahead and cold start it right now. It's about 40 degrees. This is the interior. It's the GT500 20th anniversary SVT. Just looks mean. I love how they did the radiators right here. Another fun fact, I removed the GT500 logo right here. But let's go ahead and cold start it. It is full bolt on, and it is running on E85 tune. So right now, you know, it's pretty cold. It's pretty chilly outside. Might take a little while to get it started, but let's go ahead and do that. The car is hitting up, so I'm gonna go ahead and warm it up a little bit, and we'll show you how that sounds in a bit. All right, peace out.